Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra, the topic that is about inequalities. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to determine that this one is larger or smaller than this one. So now I want to show you. We know that the range of side x that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now, because we have the power number 2 in here, that means this is about even power. So the even powers, they always provide a positive number. So if we put the power number 2 on here, the range of this one, that should be about from 0 to positive number 1. Next, I will put x for the both sides. Later that, we need to put them into the fractions. So this one, the side that will change, and that should be like this. So we can see that this one is smaller than this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.